I don't think I'm as ugly as him, but good morning, Johnny Sunshine. Oh, hold on, I gotta eat some pizza. Good morning, everybody. I'm about to go put some CPVC together. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday morning. It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes. Welcome to the great communist state of New York. It's Mikey fucking Pipes. Good morning, everybody. We got ourselves a clog a drain pipe. I'm gonna get out my shop vac and we're gonna clean that drain pipe. This is anti-DIY HVAC, Ted Cook HVAC. Good morning, everybody. I got a drain pipe I gotta clean out. That's all we do. Oh wait, I might have a capacitor later. That's very important. Alright, I'm sure that was bad, especially the Ted Cook one was really bad. Somehow I couldn't find my southern accent today. Probably because I've been on vacation all week long. Didn't have any videos for you guys, but try to give you a little John Phillips plumbing, a little Mikey Pipes. I mean, what's the guy got? 15 channels. Mikey Pipes, whatever. Mikey Pipe Doctor, Uncensored, Philanthropy. He's got some sort of criminal channel. I don't know what the hell he's doing there. Dude, stick to one thing. That's kind of ridiculous. And then my poor impersonation of Mr. Ted Cook. Mr. Ted Cook. And I wouldn't do one of Joe Shearer because I never met the guy, but, you know, is what it is. We're just back here getting settled back in. We went to the Oregon coast Tuesday morning, and we just got back this afternoon. So I haven't had any content, which is fine. People are still subscribing, which is nice. I mean, it's not like my channel's struggling. I think it's doing well. And if I keep doing what I do, I think it's going to be just fine. If you don't like it, you could go to the great... No, I'm not even going to do that stuff. It's funny because Mikey Pipes does this. So I got the stand up here. He does that. So you can do that too. So hey, everybody. So, yeah, here's what we're going to do. We're going to go, check out my new training studio. And if you don't know how to, do my philanthropy. God, see, I can't even say it. If you can't do my philanthropy channel, then go fuck yourself. And, I'm going to help out these people down in Virginia. I'm going to help them out. That's good. I'm glad he's doing it, but I know why he's doing it. He's not doing it for his own thing. I do charity jobs all the time, and I do them for myself. I don't do them because I'm trying to gain any luster for it. Let's see what I got going on out here. Here, look. This is the real life. I got empty boxes of the jobs I've done. I got a mess around here. I won't even look at it. Here, hold on. Let's flip this around. There we go. Look. This is real life right here. I got a big mess. When we were on vacation, that fell from up here. I don't know what the fuck happened. But a box of Flex fell from the rafters and exploded. Got my cat food there. Yeah, this is real life. I still haven't even opened up my new M18 mower. You should see my lawn. It's dark now, so I'm not going to show you. But yeah, this is real life. Yep, I'm drinking a beer. My juicy drama. Come here. Come here. So yeah, anyway, I'll show you my... Here, let's go here. Open this up. I probably lost half the viewers right now. Anyway, that's the new my new Portaband blades that showed up while we were on vacation. Got all kinds of cool stuff going on. I don't need to try to gain subscribers by doing giveaways and stuff. I do them on my own volition. Still got my beautiful Bosch 2-zone system there. My beautiful Mitsubishi Hyperheat up there. I got my beautiful poster, which I tell everybody about. Alien versus Predator, playing chess. Yeah, we're just backing us down, messing around. I mean, if you're not if you don't have boxes everywhere of empty HVAC boxes, then you're not a busy guy, right? I got Bosch boxes. I got Run True boxes. I got a bunch of drop cloths I need to shake out, fold up, and clean up. I got all kinds of scraps of line sets. This is the real life, guys. Not everything's organized all the time. Because it's me, myself, and I. I don't have any minions to organize this shit for me. I got all my tanks here. I got my nitrogen. I got all my refrigerant ones here. I got my recovery shit here. I got my coil cleaners here, evaporator and condenser. Go back here. I mean, I just got messes. I got another tank back here. All kinds of miscellaneous crap. So, I'm a real one-man band. I don't fake it like these other guys do where they have someone else. Look at that one exploded and fell down. I don't fake it like these other guys do. This is what a real one-man band has for a company. My brother helps me occasionally. Why? Look, this one's down too. What the fuck happened? What the hell happened this weekend? We were gone for 3 days. That one fell too. Look. Look at that. This is real life right here. Yeah, I have to clean all this up, which I'm going to do this weekend. Look at this crap. Oh, so I got my my beach chairs out. So that cabinet's open. Yeah, it's a mess in here. But wait to see what it looks like on Sunday. I will clean all this up. It's a constant battle when you're a one-man band. It's not like the guys show you on television. It's not like these other guys show you on their channel. Shit's a mess. Shit is a mess all the time. And sometimes it's a mess when you do have help. But not with me. I'll clean all this shit up, and you're going to see what it looks like on Sunday. You just watch.